Instagram music missing songs? In 60 seconds, let's fix it, so you can add the track you actually want to your reel or story. First, confirm it's not just one sound. Open Instagram, create a new story or reel, tap the music sticker or audio icon, and search a few different songs and artists. If almost nothing shows up, check your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then fully close and reopen the app. Next, update Instagram. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Instagram, and hit update if you see it. After updating, restart your phone. It sounds basic, but it often reloads permissions and fixes hidden glitches. If music is still limited, the issue might be your account type or your region. Let's check that next. Business accounts often have a smaller music library. To test this, switch to a personal account in Settings, Account, switch account type. If you switch to personal, fully close and reopen Instagram, then check the music search again for more songs. Some songs are blocked in certain countries due to licensing. A VPN can sometimes show more tracks, but it can also cause errors, so use it cautiously and legally. As a workaround, you can add music outside Instagram, edit your video in a video editor with the song, then upload it and post it without using Instagram's music sticker. If nothing helps, report the problem. Go to Settings, Help, Report a Problem, briefly describe that your music library is missing songs, and attach a screenshot. Recap: test multiple songs, update the app, restart, switch to personal, consider region limits, try external editing, and report to Instagram. Save this video so you never get stuck without the right song again.